Hello YouTube, Multiple Gamer here, back here with an... Okay, this time not as a gamer, but I'm gonna unbox my new phone. I have not much time to spare, so let's just start up. I got it today itself from Home Shop 18, India. So this is a Life Flame 8 4G phone, which costed me around 4,550 rupees after discount. And yeah, I'll just open it up and let's just start up. Okay. Another box. Okay, another covering. Sucks. There you go. I'll do it gently so that it won't damage the box inside. Okay. Whoa, look at that. The phone is just on one side, and there you go. Wow. Its actual cost is 5,200 and I got it for, as I said, 4,550. Oh, there's something inside. Okay, these are just some of the offers which I can use. Let me continue with the unboxing of the actual phone. Let me show you the specifications. Just read it out. Focus. Okay. 8+5 MP camera, 1GB RAM, smart gestures, and 2000 mAh battery life. Sorry, I'm not able to focus it right now, but as you can see, 5,199, and some BS written on it. Manufacturer and all this. Anyways, look at that. Looks pretty cool, the box. It feels, damn comfortable. Let's see for the phone. Just open it up. Okay, let's go with the inbox contents. Let's start off. Okay, I guess I've got to plug it up. I got the blue color one, forgot to mention. There you go. Okay, there's a phone on the top itself. Life Flame 8 4G blue. Let's get the phone out for now. Okay. Looks pretty awesome and feels comfortable. Let's go for the inbox contents. Okay, as it is, we get a AC adapter and a USB cable for the charging purposes, and here's the battery. We got some AirPods, obviously of low quality, and the warranty card and the quick start guide. Let's go to the phone now. So as you can see, I put on the battery, and let's see how much time will it take to start off. We'll close it. 2000 mAh battery, and get the back cover as expected. Sad, but fine. Okay. I'll pause it for some time. Oh guys, you got to look at this. Okay, let's do it later. Let's select English. Skip. Okay, I'll set up the Wi-Fi for now. Oh, come on. Okay. Connected, no internet. Nice. Nice. So here, let's see what happens if we press this. Skip. Comes with 61% charge. It was 62. Okay, I'll set this up. So I couldn't sign in for a reason. I'll tell you guys later. Let's just continue with the phone start off. Oops, okay. I don't want to protect. No. Okay. Skip anyways. Next. Alright guys, here's the phone. It's Marshmallow, I guess. No, it's not Marshmallow, it's Lollipop. Let's see, let's go to settings. I wish there's something known as move to SD card in this. Ugh. Okay. Let's go to about. That's another. Okay, that's to unlock. What the fuck is about? What the hell is about? What the hell is about? No, what? Okay, system. About phone. As you can see, device name is LifeFrame8 and Android version 6.0. It's Marshmallow. It's Marshmallow. That's great. Anyways, let's just take this off and look at some phone. It looks pretty good, and there are some pre-installed apps like Jio. But we didn't get the Jio SIM as we ordered it from Home Shop 18. So if you order it from online, you won't get the Jio SIM. One thing. And let's see the camera quality. Where's it? Okay. Nah, that's later. No thanks. Looks pretty good. Let's see. So the front camera is interesting indeed. Okay, the rear camera, and yeah, That's a good phone overall. For this budget, at least. Okay guys, then we got a pretty good phone, and yeah, what else is required? Get a Geo SIM and start using it till the end. Yeah, till the end. Okay then, Gaming King, okay, Multiple Gamers signing off now. Here's it, here it is again, Life Flame 8 4G blue version. I like it. It's okay. You can comment about the phone. It looks pretty good and fits in my hand. You can comment about the phone, you can comment about my video, everything. So guys, thank you, see you again. Please like and subscribe. Oh, there's a message already. Wow.